remote control. So he's controlling it with that box, sort of like a crane operator. That's incredible. So it's got a little lawnmower engine, like a garden tractor engine in that machine right there. Oh, that is a Mule, okay, in the Mule. And it's running the hydraulic pumps and whatnot. So he said it's all basically hydraulics making this thing happen. That's crazy. So it's 24 foot long, 12 foot wide, 14-inch eaves. So we had them extend the eaves out, you know, the ends, the front and back ends, like that. And then also extended the eaves out there, so we got 14 inches everywhere. Well, he's not back where he needs to be on this side here. There you go. Got it sitting right on my plates. Nice.